Hello, I'm going to cover the input function. So in order to do that, I'm actually going to put a lab, working through a lab that can help you understand it. It's just simply just waiting for a user to input before they take any other actions here. So let's go doing the labs right here. You can see that what's your name, and then so they will wait for the input, right? And then you're comparing it. If it's Smith, I will say, hello, Smith, you're great. If it's not, we can do just put on the name, hello, right? The name that way. So let me just run it and it's saying, okay, Smith, let me go to it. It will actually, yeah, you're great. But this is only one loop, like not really a loop, it's just one time go through it, just in sequence order run. Now I say put Sean, my name in there, and say hello Sean. That will go to second line, else statement. Okay, so some extra stuff that you need to consider. You can add logic to detect when in the user enter name that are not a name, like numbers. You put all numbers in it. It's actually not a name, or just won't put anything, the empty string. So you can detect this before you respond to it, right? So in the real life, a lot of people are filling into a lot of the different things in the form. So doing the validation before you get to your data, with how to treat the data, it will be. Hello. Now I'm going to cover some functions. Actually, writing a function, right? A function is telling a computer to do a specific things. Every function does a different things. Functions have a name, and they are called by putting parentheses after the name. Many functions take arguments, information that function used to do a specific things. One useful function is the print function, which is I use a lot in examples, right? So defining a function is the key. Have a keyword def to start a new function. Once you have defined your own function, you can call it just like any other function in Python, right? This function is really good way to organize your code, right? I can be using your code as general genetic purpose, right? Let me just go through a lab so that you can understand it more. Right here, you will say def, right? Let me just define a new function here, right? Say hello. You see, this is simple statement here. Inside that, it will actually pin you a hello statement. That's it. That's all they do here, right? Um, but you can actually do a lot more stuff in here. So anyway, you can use it to do this stuff, or you can also do say that. Let me put every single Y here so that you can do uh, parameters here, so that you can do put a name, your parameter, and you're just saying add the name in here. That also together you just put the space here, and that's the non-function. That's what a function do, right? Or you can actually default that function, right? You don't want to put it, maybe default it to Sean, right? This my name is always default. If nothing appears, it will default the name to Sean, right? Also, you can, let's go to is adult, and then you put the age in there, right? Right. So you're going to return it. It's true or false. So you're saying maybe greater than 18, then it's adult. So this statement actually it will return, right? So this is true or false. If the age, if you're passing the age is 17, And simply just, so this is 17 greater than 18, simply just false, so we return you false. Okay? Now you can test the function, right? I may have something like, I have my age is 17. You want to check your age, whether you're adult or not. So you can see here, I can run the whole thing here, right here. It will execute this one right here. See, it actually print out that, right? So if that say it's false, it means 17 is not adult. But if say 19, you can see that it's true because 19 greater than and 18. So, or you can do this. You can do more thing on this. So I say if that actually tell you is it true or false, right? So you say if this is true, I mean you say print. I say oh yeah, yeah, you are adult. Sorry, my iPhone actually thinking I'm asking for something else. You say print, oh, you are child, right? So like this, you see. So 19, I should saying, yeah, oh yeah, you're adult, right? If you're saying 16, you tell you're adult, you're a child, right? Well, like that, right?